I got this Stalwart hand drill to help me out with some DIY projects I want to do around the house. As you can see, I got this empty space right here that's just begging for some shelving. So let's get this open, check it out, and put it to work. Once we have it open, you get the electronic screwdriver. You get 24 screw and drill bits. That includes an assortment of Phillips and flathead screw bits, as well as circle and star-shaped ones, longer bits, an extender, and the 3 drill bits with the 2.0, 2.5, and 3.0 gauge respectively. And of course there's a power cord, and there's a pretty simple manual. The charging cord has an input of 100 to 240 volts and an output of 6 volts. It's enough to charge this hand drill in about 3 to 5 hours. You simply just plug it into the wall and then plug it into the drill. Now some people are asking if it gets hot while it's charging. Well, I let it charge like this all night, and when I picked it up in the morning, it was only slightly warm. And if you ever have any problems with it, Stalwart does provide a 60-day warranty on their drills like this. And you can see here that it will not work while it's plugged in. Now the driver itself has a nice soft grip handle right here and right here that makes it really easy to hang on to. And you can go backwards and forwards with this by hitting the up and down arrows respectively. So pushing down will make it drill right, and pushing up will make it drill left. And you can see it's really easy to push with just one finger. And it will rotate this piece right here at 180 revolutions per minute with a torque of about 3 Newton meters. This switch right here leads to a forward-facing LED light that illuminates your work. Check it out. And I'll turn off this light right here so you can get an idea of how much it lights things up. You can see that in a dark area like this would really work out well to make sure that you don't need to be holding a flashlight with the other hand. But enough of that light, let's get this one back on. There we go. Now check out the light back here. This is a battery indicator light, so if you press it, it will tell you how much battery you have left, and it will light up to let you know if it's charging or not when you have it plugged in. Now when it comes to inserting and removing these drill bits, it's really easy. You just pop them in like that and they stay locked in. And when you want to take it out, you just give it a little pull like that. I've read some people have trouble getting these things out. Say you're using like a smaller bit and then you can't like grip it, or you can't get it out or something like that for whatever reason. Maybe the magnetism is stronger than your grip right here. Well, let me show you what you can do. I just take a handy multi-tool like this that has some pliers on it, and then I just pinch that bit and pull it out. There you go, it's really easy. So now that we know how it works, let's put it to work. So since it's cordless and it's so lightweight, it's been really easy to use. It was much easier putting up these shelves in the back using this instead of just a hand-cranked screwdriver. So I think it's good for anybody like me who just wants a lightweight tool that makes DIY projects that much easier. And if there are any negatives to it, number one, in the product description, they said that it came with a carrying case. Now, I don't know what they're talking about. Did they mean this box and this plastic bag? It didn't come with any other carrying cases, and I don't really want to count these as carrying cases personally. And secondly, it has a small battery and relatively low power compared to real power drills. That's why it really struggled, even with these power drill bits, to drill into the wall. And since it has no like masonry bits, I wouldn't count on it drilling into anything like concrete or brick or granite. It really struggled even with the plaster. So if you're looking for something that's going to do those heavy duty jobs, you might want to keep looking. This is a really good replacement for a screwdriver. It's much easier on the hands and it makes the job go much more quickly.